Thank you all for joining this webinar today. This is Ulrika. I'm the Business Development Manager in Modex 3D. I'm here today to bring you regarding machine digital twin, machine characterization analysis, and case study. Today's session is divided into 3 parts. I will start with a short introduction of machine characterization analysis. Next, I will introduce some real case studies that we did. The last part is the summary of today's presentation. Now, I would like to introduce with you the machine characterization analysis. Regarding the injection machine, there are 3 major factors, including 5 digital twins influencing the product quality: raw material, product and mold design, machine, and molding process. In Modex 3D, we have overall services for these factors in our digital twins concept. We will use DT as an abbreviation of digital twin in our presentation. In today's session, I will focus on machine digital twin. In typical CAE process, by considering machine specs, the users usually follow the 3 steps. First step, choose a machine model which will be adopted for production in the future. Second, define the parameters of molding process condition. Last step, run analysis. Even it's that simple, have you ever considered the 2 questions below during your simulation? First, does the specs of machine you chose for CAE default database match with real machine? Second, will the speed and pressure responses on each real machine be the same, even same brand and model? Let's keep these questions in mind. Then I will bring up the importance related to real machine reaction and machine digital twins. How does an injection molding machine control its behavior? Once we finish velocity setting through machine interface, the signal goes through machine controllers, and the expected result may look like the figure on the left-hand side.